If you're a nerd like me, you know that when it comes to PCs, the single best thing you can do is just build your own. I love matching components. I love putting things together. I love building machines. And that's where this comes in and is my best friend. This is made by Bolt Dropper, and this is their sort of PC and standoff screw kit. It's a big kit. It's going to have almost everything you are going to need when it comes to building your PCs. Everything from your hand twist knobs in both black and chrome for your cases, to standoffs, to different screws, to even if you're using some of the rare components that require the little M3 nuts, they've got those as well, and things like your isolation gaskets, those isolation washers that, or insulation washers that help keep things from conducting electricity to other things. So look, if you are building a PC, you're doing a little bit of repair on electronics, and you want a good kit, a little kit that's going to give you everything you need, this is my go-to. This is something that I think you are going to enjoy, so check it out. Again, it's made by Bolt Droppers. I think you're going to love it.